Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to teach you how you can easily use just Uno Shopify app. So the first thing you want to do is just click here Add Application, and I will just allow it, and then I will connect it with my Shopify store. And now create your just Uno account. I will just disable this thing, and password, website domain, and phone number. Continue. And you just wait until it's going to connect and set up. Again, I just have to allow it through my ad block. Now we just go to your account and I will show you what to do. So let's just wait until it's going to load. And here we go. So start with the pre-build, select from a range of templates with our best practices built in, or you can start from scratch. So I'm going to choose a pre-build here. That's what I recommend for you to do too. And now you can add a banner, you can add a lead capture, and again desktop. So let's say that I'm going to add a lead capture desktop. Let me show you what you can do with just Uno. On the top left, you would have basic settings. That's a promotional name. Then you have all time, start date and end date, all time. Then overlay settings. You can change where the pop-up would appear. You can see in the background I would have my page. Display effect, you can change the effect how it's going to appear. You can have like zoom out or flip, or dim your website, you can have it or no. I would have it dimmed. Then you can like also have flash, but I would have the H flip is okay. You can also add a background basic graphic, but I would leave it like it is. What you can do then is to simply add layers, and you can add a consent checkbox, and you can really optimize it as much as you want. The really like thing about this is that you can do whatever you want with it, that you can move it. As you can see, you can add a close button, but I already have it, and you can move everything. In most of the apps like these, you can only add it, but this is like Wix website builder on which you can add and implement everything. So that's pretty much how you do it, and what you can do with it. When you go further, you can add also layers here, and these are the layers, like all the layers. Then you're gonna have tab settings, and you can add tab themes here, tab template gallery that you can use if you want to, and you can have tab location. Now on the right side, as you can see, for everything I'm going to click, you have option to change form, email settings, change effects. So on the right side, you got the settings for that idea, for that, not idea, for that section, like responsibility option, accessibility, background color, border options, and really edit it as much as you want, right? So that's what you can do on the right side. Input option, this is like the preview text and default text. So this is how you can work with it. Now you can also preview it on the top right and click save. Right after you do it, you can click next and lead capture desktop. You can edit it again, and we will go. So these are like the rules for it. They have spent more than 10 seconds on current page. They have never seen this promotion less than 3 times. And they have not ever engaged with form any pop-up. Let's go back. So that's what you can do. You got also intro, screen, post engagement, follow-up, thanks, close. So that's what you can do. When you would go back here, you can create another promotion, and you can start a new one if you want to. Then you have like create notifications. You can add notification title, you can change the icon, add the image, add a link here, and use it appear. So this is how you can create this. And this is notification that will appear on the website. So yeah. Then you have like A/B testing here, and then analytics. So this is pretty much it. This is how you can use just Uno. It's like okay app. So yeah, thank you very much guys for watching. Have a great day and goodbye. See you.